Now, if we scroll down, we'll see the layout of our contacts page. So at the moment, we're following the default layout and sidebar options. So if we look at the layout, we'll see 4 widget areas. They are numbered 10, 11, 12, and 14. And if you look on the left-hand side, you can see that in each widget area, we've got a sidebar. And we can see that the sidebars that we have customized earlier, okay, they are within these widgets areas. And we are using the same numbers, okay? So we are putting, for example, sidebar 11 inside widget area 11. Okay, so if we want to customize this layout, we can just check the box for custom settings, and then we can choose another layout if we want to. So for example, if we pick up the homepage 1, we can see a different layout. We've got more widgets areas, okay? And inside each widget area, we can choose one sidebar, okay? So at the moment, we managed to customize only 4 sidebars, okay? 10, 11, 12, and 14. And by default, those are the ones available in the Appearance Customize section. But if you want to add other sidebars, for example, if you want to add sidebar 1, then we would need to customize this sidebar. So we were not going to be able to find it inside this Customize section. But if we go to the widgets section under Appearance, then we'll see all these sidebars, okay? And also on the left-hand side, we can see all the available widgets that we can place inside these sidebars. So for example, if you want to place a widget inside sidebar 1, we can just click on the arrow, open it, and then we can choose a widget. So for example, let's get a contacts form, for example, drag it and drop it there, and then fill the details and save, then close. Now we've got our widgets inside sidebar 1. Okay, and we are ready to use sidebar 1 in those layouts. Okay, another way to place a widget inside a sidebar, just to click on the widgets and select which sidebar we want to place the widgets in. Okay. Okay, so now if we go back to the page and place sidebar 1 inside widget area 1, okay, and then for example, we can still keep our original sidebars 10, 11, and 12 inside areas 10, 11, and 12. Okay, we've got them already there. Okay, so if we update this and refresh the page, now our contacts page looks different with the new layouts. So we've got a contacts form there, and then we've got our original 3 sidebars at the bottom. But we don't have the sidebar we had on the right hand side with the search box. Okay. We can choose another layout if you want to. This one, for example, and you can see how each layout will give us a different look for the page. Okay. You can try a page full width layout, where we get a full width for our page and we only get widget areas at the bottom. Okay. Okay, now let's go back to our original layout, which is page right sidebar, and just have our widgets, our sidebars in the widgets areas. And let's update. And now if we refresh the page, we can see the first layout. Okay. Okay, now that we have learned how to add widgets to our pages, let's go back to the Customize section under Appearance. And the final item that we've got left is Static Front Page. So if we click on that, we can see that by default, the front page is going to display our latest posts. Okay, so if you go to our front page, we can see the posts there. Okay, but we can change this and we can have a static page. And basically, we can select our front page from one of the pages that we have created. Okay, so for example, we can have the front page as the About page, for example. and we can have the posts page as the credits page. So this means that we are going to land in the front page, and we are going to see our posts inside the credits page. Okay. So if we save this and publish, and then refresh the front page, okay, so you can see that's our front page at the moment is about. So our menu at the moment is messed up, and we would need to fix it. And then if we go to the credits page, that's the page where we're gonna see our posts. Okay, so for now, let's just go back to the original settings and then save and publish. And now we can see our front page like this. Okay. So one more thing we can customize on our page is the way the address looks. So we're missing the www there. So if you would like to change that, you can go to the dashboard and go to settings. And then you can change the URL of the WordPress address, okay, and the site's address as well. So if I just add www there, and I add it there as well, and then save. Okay, and now if we refresh the page, we'll see the new address there with www. Okay. Alright, so in the next video, we're going to learn how to add more customization to our website using some CSS.